It's 7:16. This is my phone. So, yeah. This is my old phone that I'm using, so I can pause. But I'm going to be showing you some of the fidgets that I use a lot. So, let's do this. Okay. So, I use these sometimes. I was just looking at my box for a second. This, when I fidget by myself, I put, like say I put these, and then I say turn this, going once, going twice, going 3 times. So, yeah. It's like a mystery box thing that you probably know already. But I use these sometimes. Not a lot, but sometimes. And I use this because you can squish it and you can flip it if you're mad. And you can flip it if you're happy. And I'm happy right now. So, and you can do like this and it's soft. It's real soft. All 3 of those things fit. 1, 2, 3. They fit. And I forgot to show this in my last video yesterday before we went to the lake. It was this. It was for school, but it has marbles in it. It says guess what I am, because I had to do something like you had to guess and stuff. And yeah, I don't remember who guessed it first, but I use these marbles sometimes. I forgot to show it in my video. And I use these. I don't really do that, but I did it in my last video. And it's cat mochi. And these 2 mochis. And this because you can stretch it, and do this. It was a bracelet, but then I just said doing that. Never mind. But this, it's homemade. And I think this is the last thing. Nope. And this little keychain pocket. So, and this fidget spinner. And this fidget spinner. Okay. I like spinning them together. Like I put the white one on top, or sometimes the green one on top, and I spin it. Okay. Messed up. Yeah, there we go. Well, the green one stopped. And this one. These. Because I have more. And this. Usually I just like boop, 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 boop. And this. I haven't done the LPS roleplay in a long time. I should do that soon. Well, maybe. And this, because this is the LPS. And this, and these because I like using them like that for snappers. I like doing that, like act like, because I've never had a snapper before. And I like this. Guys, I can't believe I use almost all my fidgets except this one that like I did like this, roll it and stuff, and this, that you move its feet and stuff. Literally, I like almost all my fidgets, except 3 of them. Oh my god. Okay. Gotta put the marbles back in there. I'll show you some of the marbles, because there's a lot of marbles. Okay.